I'm Yolanda and Yolanda Joyner, and I'm so excited to talk a little bit about my day here today at O Free Bird Fly. And so everyone got a word in a little envelope that were on the table, and this is kind of a funny story because there was a blue one and an orange one, and orange is just like not my jam, but I allowed the young lady who was sitting next to me to choose her word before me. And so she picked the blue one, which is my favorite color. And the orange card was there, and when I opened it, the word that was on it was lead. God has been calling me into this place of leadership, and it was just a reminder that I am right where I need to be and that it's time to be bold. So I took some notes, and one of the things that for some reason came to me was lead and the acronym of loving everyone amidst darkness, and then that led me into being the light. And so some things that I wrote down were just leading with light, following Jesus, and allowing other people to see the light of Him through me. And one of the coolest things that happened shortly after that was that Kimberly started to speak, and she brought up Matthew 5:14, and you are the light of the world. And again, God just continued to confirm that I'm right where I need to be, and it's time to lead with His light.